Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
All good?
Oh, amazing. This day feels so momentous. This week has been a profound experience, and I now understand sort of the meal so much better, and I'm looking forward to you showing me how it's made.
Perfect.
Where do we start?
The hatch.
Okay.
Hatch green chili, right? So we're gonna try to roast it in here a little bit at the stove.
On a bare flame.
On the bare flame. This just starts to sing a
Popping.
little bit. Yes. Look at that smell.
Oh, wow.
Starts to get in there, right? And we use that ash as well, okay? Well, these ones are roasting in
Okay.
here. Please chop the onion,
Sounds good.
chop the garlic. You left-handed,
I am.
so I give you the wrong knife then.
This is the wrong knife?
Because the sharp is from the other side.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There's a left-handed or a right-handed knife. This
Try
is the
with
first
that
time
one.
I've ever heard of this.
There you go. Here, in the middle. You put it here, just it's a small one. You put it in the middle, you can go back and forth.
And you want that?
Yeah? Left-handed, you see?
He says it like I'm the devil. So this replaces sort of the wood that you used to cook on when you're in here.
Exactly.
How has this changed your cooking? How has cooking here changed anything?
I think I have a nice connection with this land as well because it used to be part, as you say, of Mexico or Spain, because at the end of the day is what the land gives it to you.
That's
It's
right.
the corn, is the Chile. All these places you've been here in New Mexico to harvesting all these ingredients, they can tell you you have to do these enchiladas, right? It's not about countries, it's about ingredients.
Yeah, that's a great way to think about it.
Right.
That the ingredients are telling you
Exactly.
this is what you must make.
Exactly. So we have the green chili that you already roast.
Yep.
First the garlic.
So this is how you make the legendary New Mexico green chili.
Yes.
It smells a little sweet, like earth, like dirt.
That's the ash.
That's the ash.
The dirt is the ash, yeah.
What do we do with the brisket now?
So we're gonna make a rub, a molcajete. We're gonna put the chili
Yeah.
inside. We're gonna use one of your garlics that you harvest
Okay.
there as well. Salt.
Okay. And I'm just gonna combine them all.
We can use a food processor, yes, you can use a blender. But now that we're here connecting with all of these ingredients and so on, it doesn't seem fair to do that, you know? So that's why we use the molcajete. Oh, that's good, yeah?
Truly from scratch.
Yes, exactly. So let's try to cut maybe. We're gonna cook it like a long process, so it's around 12 hours, right? Normally we sous vide it.
Oh, you sous vide?
Yes, exactly.
For 12 hours.
Exactly. So we vacuum pack it with a bit of oil with the rub.
Okay.
And then sous vide it by 12 hours.
Wow.
And then we're gonna use the rub.
Is that too caked on?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
So we are roasting here a little bit of the ash from the chili, so we can remove all the water from here, and we can burn the last part of it. If it's brown, it's like a bitter. But if
Oh,
it's
really?
black, it's just,
It's good.
yes. So now the tortillas that you make by hand
Yeah.
is a little bit more thick. So
Okay.
I don't think you're going to be able to roll it because it's going to break. So
So
let's
we'll just put it on
fold
top.
it.
Oh, fold it.
Yeah.
Like almost like a taco.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
So chef, this has been sous vide overnight.
Yes, so you can see, you can smell it, no? That's the chimayo chili in there, the bison.
Oh my gosh. It's almost sweet and earthy. I am salivating. My teeth are hungry.
So you already make the tortillas, and then try to put bison on the middle.
This is our green chili cheddar. How much cheese am I gonna put
So
on
we're
here?
gonna fold it first, so you can create your enchilada, just like that, okay? Of the green chili.
This is so cool. Look at the colors. All right. I like cheese, so we'll put a little cheese on there.
We're gonna put it in the oven so it can melt.
So what is the difference between the watermelon and these?
From outside, it's completely white. It even doesn't look like a radish, right? But when you cut it,
Right. So was this for aesthetics, or is this because you like the taste, or how does it?
I like the flavor and like the aesthetics. It's a little bit more intense, more peppery.
Yeah.
Right?
The most dangerous of instruments. So this goat cheese, I wonder how it's going to be different than a cow.
I mean, the goat milk is more intense in flavor, right? They have a different type of diet. Let's taste it. The acidity is different.
It's good.
Yeah, let's see how it
Those
works.
farmers knew what they were talking about. Emma, you know what you're talking about. This is delicious cheese. Are we done over here? Oh my, I've been waiting a whole week for this.
And then we're gonna use the ash and then the radishes on top.
Cheers.
Damn, you're good.
That's wonderful. It's got a little heat in it. At the end, it like hangs out.
Green chili, the spiciness is perfect though.
It is.
It's not too spicy.
No, it's not
but
overwhelming.
You feel the kick on it, so it's just amazing.
Oh, thank you, Chef. Thank you.
Good.
And now we have what is equally delicious. I can't wait to make this peach apricot.
Let's do it. So what we're gonna do is put this cilantro in this hot boiling water.
Okay.
So it's going to be like 10 seconds. And out.
And out.
Yes. There you go. And now what we want to do is remove it from the water and squeeze all the water out. So we want to maintain the water here.
Okay.
And then the cilantro that's already been blanched for color is going to be more intense in here.
So that's what you're doing it for, is the color.
Yes.
Okay.
So now is the chlorophyll.
How much oil?
inside. Oil, let's try to put around
To
there.
cover it?
Yep, just
Okay.
to cover it. And then we need to blend it. It's just perfect. And then we're gonna pass it through a chinois. So we need to make apricot juice in here. I'm gonna cut some of them for,
Okay.
we can put it on the grill. We're gonna start to grill those. We're gonna put it here in the plancha better. So we're gonna put it in here on the side.
Okay. What are you looking for in the long run with these peaches? Like, when are they ready? Meaning, I'm hungry.
So hurry up. For example, these ones that are bubbling,
Yeah.
they start to getting ready, right? These two. Perfect. Just amazing.
Cheers.
Good. What do you think? The one we made at the beginning versus this one?
Yours at the beginning was perfect. One of the things that nature teaches when you're doing the from scratch model is sometimes you come upon trees where the apricots aren't quite ready, right?
Definitely.
Or the peaches aren't quite ready, and you're gonna make that. So this is wonderful. And I've never had cilantro oil before, like in a dish, I don't think. The umami of that mixed with the sweetness of the apricot is, wow.
Good. Thank you so much.
My gosh,
Thank you.
my
You did
gosh,
a
I
great
can't
job.
believe this is over. I can't believe this is over. My mind has been blown, and it has culminated in these wonderful dishes.
Amazing.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you for teaching me how to do this and sending me out on this journey. I will never forget this week.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you.